everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller not holding a charge. So if you tried charging it with like a phone charger or from your PlayStation 5 and it's simply not holding a charge, you see the orange lights and then you unplug it and you press this button and nothing happens, well, you could try replacing the battery, and this could be very easy. So on the bottom here, we want to just lift up this face cover and we want to go ahead and remove it. Now you can find batteries off of Amazon or eBay, and they're relatively easy to find and they're inexpensive. Might only cost you like $5 for a new battery. So go ahead and buy one, and then you can replace it in your controller. Otherwise, if you have like an old PlayStation 4 controller laying around, you could also try that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these buttons. All you have to do is press the R2 or the L2 down a little bit, then lift up right here, and that should pop off real easy. And then there's going to be 4 screws. Now I already removed all these screws, so you got one here, here, then down here and here, so 4 total. And keep these in a safe location because they might roll onto the carpet, and it would be very difficult to find. Now what we want to do is unlatch these right here. So unlatch it here, and then here. And then you can have to work your way through this side of the controller and create some separation. Now, I kind of do it like this and make sure this one's unlatched. And then once I see that's unlatched, do this side too. You might have to do it multiple times because they'll relatch on you. And then we can go this side and we can lift up now. And then I typically have the face cover upward so the battery just doesn't dangle and fall out on us. So let's remove this now. And I already have a replacement battery from this controller, and this controller has a back button attachment. This was originally the controller that was having issues, so I replaced the battery already. So you can see it's not turning on. Nothing's working, so the battery is dead, or I must have fried it somehow. I'm not sure, but it's not working. So I could replace this with an old PlayStation 4 controller or something like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it, pop it up. Now, you're going to have some cables around your controller. You might want to go ahead and just unconnect these if this still doesn't work when you replace the battery. So sometimes the touchpad one is the one that causes issues, so you can remove this black panel and then just remove this blue ribbon and then just reconnect it. So I have this other battery I'll remove, and then I'll place it in my other controller. So let's place it in, and I'll show you that it works here. So it only goes in one way. You just have to press down. Alright, so it's in. Now if I press this, you can see it's working. So my battery was the issue here. But just go on Amazon, replace these, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.